Welcome to Routindo.com. In this video, you are going to see how to manage Routindo plugins. When Routindo is installed for the first time, its configuration is completely empty, and there is no plugin installed. You have to download the plugins you need, and install them one by one. To find the list of available plugins, connect to Routindo.com using your browser. From Download page, navigate to Plugins Download Center, to find all the available plugins. Select the plugin you need from the list, to see more details about it, and get the download link. In the page plugin, you find a short description about the plugin, and links to documentation and support pages. To get the last version of this plugin, click on Download button. Follow the same steps to download other Routindo plugins you wish to use. From Routindo Client, in Plugins module, click on Install button to find and install the plugin you need. Double-click on any installed plugin to see its content and details. Routindo plugins are composed of watchers, actions and arguments mappers. The About tab contains the general information about the plugin, such as the author name, useful links for support and documentation, and a short description about the plugin features. From the Plugins module of Routindo Client, you can manage the status of any plugin. You can disable a plugin to stop using it, or enable it at any time. If you are not using a plugin anymore, you can simply uninstall it. Enjoy routines automation with Routindo.